Guys, good morning. 20, 28 Jan 26। अभी करीबन 8 बज रहे हैं इथियोपिया के। तो अभी मैं फ्रेशन अप हो चुका हूँ। अभी डैडी से जाकर मिलता हूँ। आज हमें किसी और फार्म पे जाना है या किसी और सिटी में जाना है, अकासा। तो असाका या कुछ है, चलकर देखते हैं। अभी डैडी उठाए या नहीं, देख लेते हैं हम लोग। ऐसे मेरा लगेज मैंने पैक करके ही रखा हुआ है कि यहाँ से हमें फ़ौरन निकलना है। मॉर्निंग। देखो यार, बेहतरीन ये डैडी का रूम। Good morning.
Yeah.
You did not wake up.
Are you fine?
I am fine. I'm good. ऑफ करना, ये हेयर बेल्ट है, हवा से बाल बिखर जाते हैं, इसके लिए यहाँ पे हवाएं काफ़ी चलती है। ये आज पूरा वाइट पहना हुआ है। फुल मिरर नहीं है ना। हेलो, मॉर्निंग। क्या? No. Yeah, come. Get ready. Fast. We go.
Okay.
Yes, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
You fresh?
Yeah, I'll fresh something.
Come.
If you eat something,
No. Waiting for you.
okay, you go walking over there,
Yeah.
beach. But if you clean up
Oi,
the room,
nedim tedi bazin
Aha.
bajaj zatarallo. Bajaj hay tarallo.
Bazin.
Bazin zat.
okay, I pull from the stuff. Which one is reception? Luggage.
Uh-huh.
And I'm waiting for my brigade immigration.
My room lock.
Yeah, you block your key.
Yeah.
Where is your key?
My key with me.
Okay. You clean up from the room, guys.
Yeah, clean, everything is clean and packed.
Na reception.
Okay. Cleaning the
for
room.
you. Reception here. You stay the back something.
Bags in the room.
Yeah. You let them class. He's there. بس يوكل برا كفتر على
Oh no.
وكل النار I'm clean up from my shoes.
Yeah.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Wi-Fi is not working.
Now it's working. You came.
Yeah, man.
The mobile is on. Gigs at what time will be coming? Gigs
We check gigs.
Yeah.
Already it's coming on the way.
on the way.
On the way. But I'm going to for Muslim.
Halal.
Muslim halal.
Yeah.
You go over there.
We check on the internet.
Go.
Restaurant, halal restaurant.
For me. I'm connecting for you.
Yeah, we'll check.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll change another rooms and. When can you restore?
Romu.
Dikili.
Teşekkür ederim.
Dikili.
Yeah, beach.
Yeah, beach. This already beach.
बच्चे लोग के लिए शायद ब्रांच बनी हुई है। देखो कितनी बड़ी ट्री है, काफ़ी बड़ा झाड़ है। That side?
Yeah.
Beach?
Which one? That's it. Nanta.
Kulfa बोलते हैं। Key, yeah, I know. We also said similar.
Similar to India.
Yeah. Some words are bit similar.
Yeah, big. All the above maybe. If you the food drive different from
Yeah.
India to Ethiopia. That's all. All Indians you have a culture,
Yeah.
but Ethiopia is a culture something.
Yeah.
This one just a big.
This big tree.
Yeah, big trees.
Ah.
Some people you believe from the big tree.
Ah.
The big tree created by the God of Jesus is not want anybody to grow.
Uh-huh.
But this is this one the paper
Uh-huh.
stamping.
Ah.
But some people believe it.
Uh-huh.
This is a green without. I didn't see for the God,
Yes.
but you believe it in Jesus.
Yeah.
You believe some power is not Jesus. Some power. Allah or Jesus is no, there's some power. Oh?
खड़े देखो इधर गोट कितने छोटे हैं। अलग है थोड़ा, इंडिया से डिफरेंट है। सफ़ेद बकरा देखो मस्त है। Paper cleaning the beach.
The beach.
Everything is clean.
Yeah, everything is clean. All days.
Always clean.
Nanta no, I remember. ፎቶ ይለቅና እሱ ይሰራበት። እኮ እንትን ነው። አንድ ሰው አዋጡና የስም ብዛት ንገሩ። ምን ልበላ ነው? ሄሎ አዎ፣ አታውቋቸውም ማለት ነው።
This
This is Orthodox.
This is a church.
Orthodox church. This one. This is the Orthodox.
That one. Huh?
The Orthodox church.
How old?
Oh, more than
100 years. 200.
Not 100. Yeah, more than 100 years. 100 years. እንዴት አለው?
This sea connected to the international sea. This no. क्या मैंने फिशिंग की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, नेट सही कर रहे हैं. This is the net.
ጌታ ምናምን ይመጣል በቃሉ ይባላል።
What is this? Very big.
This is
So big. It's afraid. Huh?
This is a fish.
The fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
Talapi. Talapi.
እየመጣልን ስለሆነ
Which fish?
ይሸጣል።
እሺ ያው ትመጣል ትቆያለህ።
ሲጋፈኝ ነው።
ስቀን ማየት ፈልገው
डर रहा है, बहुत बड़ा है साइज में. फिशिंग करने गए पूरा टाइप ही है भाई. ये लोग कल भी शूट कर रहे थे. दिस फॉर टिकटॉक. टिकटॉक वीडियोस. You see everything on YouTube. I send you.
No, yeah, okay. I think from a WhatsApp. So.
You ask people to subscribe in
Really?
Ethiopia.
Really? You working from YouTube for you?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my gosh. That's very bizarre.
So we can market MG seeds in Ethiopia
Wow.
if we do this way.
Yeah. Maybe sharing for the YouTube something.
Yeah.
This is the Christian form. The cross of Jesus Christ.
Yes.
This is already the fresh.
Yeah.
Took off this one to prepare food here.
Directly.
Yeah, directly. No stay for 1 hour or
Direct
6 hours.
catch and direct
Yes.
prepare.
Yeah. Every Ethiopia guys, if you eat to
My dad loves seafood.
seafood,
Yes, very much.
yeah. And the Indian, I think so. Seafood is you like it.
Because Mumbai is surrounded by the sea.
Around the
Yeah,
sea, yeah.
all sea.
Wow.
The people of Mumbai, they love
Yeah,
to eat.
you are born from
Yeah.
Bombay, yeah?
Yes.
You want traveling for this one?
No, no, no.
You scared?
No, not scared, but now is not the time, I guess.
Wow, we can't do very quick. Bajaj from Halal, okay?
Okay. Lots of TikTokers. This video,
Which one?
these girls.
Yeah, video taker.
Hello, morning.
Hello. Hello, everybody. Good.
Good, good. This is the church.
This is the meeting for government.
Ah, okay.
And you play from the children.
Ah.
Oh, this is the police. This is the police.
Uh-huh.
This is from this one. This one is the station.
This one.
The station. The station. This house.
Okay, okay, okay.
And this one traveling from the other village. You go to that.
From here to there.
No, no. In the middle of the sea, we have some people to live it. But this one is to move
Other village.
Yeah, other village. You see over there? I believe some people over there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Some city
Yes, yes.
around from the sea.
Yeah, yeah.
If you believe
The
over
mine.
there, you go move it over there.
Ah. ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आए हैं रेडी ब्रेकफास्ट करने ऐसा नहीं सब
The reading program. And that's the private people.
Fish,
This fish, this is raw fish,
fresh fish,
fresh fish, no cook,
Fresh.
no cook,
not
direct,
Direct.
direct, live.
direct.
Yeah.
ना ये था बात मैंने लेसन तो मार
भाई ये तो डायरेक्ट खा रहे हैं बिना पका है Pakistani.
Best breakfast.
Best breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? That one?
Lunch.
That is also beer. पता नहीं भाई तो पेप्सी दूसरी क्या चीज़ है? Breakfast करने का है. You had fish.
Yeah, if you eat fish, and
I like it from
I'm going
halal.
to Muslim halal.
Ah yes. Thank you for that.
You're welcome too. እደውልልሃለሁ ሂሳብ ሰርተህ ትነግረኛለህ።
ये मुस्लिम रेस्टोरेंट है फिलहाल. Okay. Yeah. Bravo. Which city है?
Okay.
भाई ये ब्रेकफास्ट आया है कैफे अच्छा You have
ኧረ በእናትሽ ኧረ አንዴ ታዘዥ ማንኪያ አምጪለት። አንድ ሰው አስጨርሽ መጀመሪያ without sugar is coming juice for papa.
This only polish, no need to oil.
No, it's just first to clean from shop
Okay.
and second to
Polish.
polish. We have a chemical right now. We have some shop. After this, you use the crown of the hard cream. Huh? What kind of cream you use this?
I use polish, boot polish.
Good polish. First, the dairy to clean out.
Yeah.
Okay? And grate. After grate, you
Okay.
አቤት ስራዎች አሪፍ ናቸው። But this is Ethiopian food.
So here they speak Oromia language.
Yeah.
Imbegna. Anya duga.
Meki, Addis Ababa,
How do you speak
Oromo.
And when you're on top. This is a kabi seed. Azwal ምግብ
እንደዚህ አንገራችሁ እንጂ
This is lentil.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lentil. Cook ይላል።
Yeah.
ነገራቸው ነው።
It's good.
This is spice food. This you like it.
This one.
Yeah. A little bit. Not more. Good?
Good.
Yeah.
ምርጥ ነው ምስሉ ነው።
I like spicy.
Yeah.
I eat.
ፋይት ያ
የሚያቃጥል ነው የሚወደው አንተ?
በቃ ረኮን ቀቡ እንስረታ ማሊ ወሎን ስሪ አይሳን እንዱበቱ አትከነ ጀባውት መናተ ከላከ እሺ
ጌቱ አለ ጌቱ አለ ጥራ
እንውረድ
ቆይ እንዳትወር
እሺ ስሪ
Go.
ጉረዱ በደንብ አስተናግዱ
በዛኛው ይከፈትልን እሺ
Stop. Guys, शीशा पीने के लिए आए.
አዎ ነገ እመጣለሁ ጥሩ ነገር ነው ይዞ
Prepare.
ጥሩ ነገር ነው ይዞ ይመጣ አዎ እግርሽ በቃ እንዳለ እርጥብ ነው እግርሽ እርጥብ ነው እውነትሽን ነው ማን እንደዛ አለኝ ታዲያ እኮ እንትን አልሽ አይ ምርቃቱን በጣም እኮ የግልሽ አረግሽው ሰለሞንስ ሰለሞንስ ኦኬ መጣ አረ ቻርጀሩ ወይ አረ ተው እሺ ቆይ ደውልልሃለሁ። አንዴ ስልክ ላስተካክልና ቻርጀር ዋይፋይ በኔ ፊት ያስጎያ
Huh?
ነው።
Ethiopians.
Open. Okay, thank you. You're sitting here.
No,